Okay ba? Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to check out a couple of things. I'm going to share with you a couple of new cool face masks that I was able to pick up from Lazada. We're going to try it out and then I'll share with you guys my feedback. But the main event for today's episode is definitely this. This is going to be my unboxing and initial review of the newest smartphone under 7,000 pesos to land here in the Philippines. The box is actually specifically designed. The doodle is made by a Filipino, so it is for Filipinos. This is the Realme C15. Let's go. Let's kick things off with the face mask. So I have two. The first one, something that you already saw, which uses some sort of like cartoony mouth and nose of the President of the Philippines, President Duterte. So if you are a die-hard fan of the President, then you might want to get this mask. I'm not sure if you want to do that though, but yeah, the mask itself is kind of thick. So that should give you, I guess, ample protection. My only concern is that this band for your ear is very small and not as elastic. So hindi siya komportable. Pero mura lang naman. I think it sells for like less than 100 pesos. Now the next mask is something which is from one of my favorite Facebook pages and communities, which is Linya Linya. Kung hindi nyo pa nakikita Facebook page nila, ang dami nilang sobrang cool na mga cartoons, mga posts, sobrang good vibes lang talaga. Check them out. They made their own face mask. So nakasulat dito, huminga, magpahinga. Very timely. Also loving the color blocking of black and yellow. And then you have the Linya Linya name along the side. So again, how it wears, simple. Medyo maliit lang siya sa face ko, no? Pero may pagka Sub-Zero vibe ang dating ng mascara na to. So again, this one, I'll put the link down below in case you guys want to buy it. And of course, let me just plug, we do have our Project 721 shoebox tag face mask. I'll put a picture somewhere here, and if you want one, I'll put the link down below so you guys can buy it as well. That one is in limited quantities. That's about to run out again. That is the official merch brand of this channel. Okay, ngayon tapos na tayo sa mga face masks. Let's go to the main event, which is the Realme C15. Una-una sa lahat, this smartphone sells for less than 7,000 pesos. I think it sells for like 6,400 for the 3GB RAM, 64GB internal storage model. Now, the interesting thing about this particular box is that the doodle that you see at the top or at the front was made by a Filipino. I think they did like a doodle contest for the box. His name, I think, is Vince or Vincent, and he's the winner. And if you take a closer look, it's a really well-made doodle. You have the C15 with the heart. You have a Filipino over here with the Korean heart thing. You have the Twitter icon. You have Instagram. You have YouTube. You have memes plus a crown. You have Game On written on the side, which is critical because this is actually supposed to be a gaming phone. And then you have a battery flexing his muscles. Why? Because this device has a 6,000 mAh battery. 6,000! So kung ano man gusto nyo gawin, malamang magagawa nyo dito. And it also has 18 watts quick charging. So if you pop the box open, just like all of my phone unboxings, wala na yung telepono sa loob dahil nandiyan na siya. But before that, let's take a look at what else is inside the box. You have the packet, wala siyang libreng case. And then you have the rest of the accessories, which include the cable, micro USB, and then you have the charging brick. Now this is the Realme C15. What is so special about it? Una-una sa lahat, it's all about that 6,000 milliampere or mAh battery combined with the Helio G35 processor. Yung Helio G35, to those who don't know, it is primarily a mainstream gaming CPU. So it is built for gaming. So kung addict kayo sa Mobile Legends, kung ano man yung nilalaro ninyo. Ako personally, I've been playing One Punch Man, the app. I'm having so much fun in it. Laki na nang nagagastos ko. It's a gacha game. But I've tried it here. Works okay. Not the fastest, but it's okay. But the great thing is because of the 6,000 milliampere mAh battery, you can go a long time playing your games, watching your movies, and all that stuff on this gorgeous, ginormous display. So in short, kung naghahanap kayo ng telepono that can do basic gaming, that can also do your social media, that's great for YouTube and watching videos because of a big screen, then you might want to check this out. Again, sells for less than 7,000. It's 6,400 or 6,000 something. I'll put the right price below. Also, the link to where you can buy it on Lazada, you can click down below while supplies last. Bili na kayo. Now, para sa mga mahilig magpicture, this one has a quad camera, 13 megapixel camera here at the back. It does ultra wide as well. So if you want to take your landscape shots, if you want to take your medyo papayat shots, that's the trick. Actually, you use ultra wide, then you shoot from the bottom. Medyo hahaba yung katawan ninyo. Then you might want to pick this one up as well. I mean, it's not the very best camera that you can buy at this price range, but for everything else that you're getting, I think it's great value for money. Primarily, it's really more for mobile gaming na basic and entry level, but it's not bad to have like this camera setup at the back and also that selfie camera here up front. So in short, kung naghahanap kayo ng telepono na makunat ang baterya, if you are looking for a smartphone that has outstanding battery life and that can deliver your basic gaming needs and a nice 6.5-inch display for your watching your movies, check it out. The Realme C15 won't break your budget. Now, this vlog wouldn't be complete if we didn't have some sneakers to show you guys. So what I'll do is I'll unbox a new pair of kicks that just arrived, but I'll be doing more reviews of this one later on. So consider this more of a teaser more than anything else. So I'll get the camera and then we'll unbox it. Now, if you guys are a fan of this vlog and you've been watching this channel for a while now, you know that I'm one of the super fans of Under Armour, and this is their newest running sneaker, which is called the Under Armour HOVR Phantom 2. So I did go size 13. I'm a huge fan of the Under Armour HOVR Phantom. I have several pairs, several colors. Sobrang panalo to. I really feel that it's one of the best alternatives to the Ultra Boost or to the React sneaker of Nike. Oh, by the way, this one is connected, so you can connect it to your Under Armour Map My Run. It will count your steps and do all of the analytics for your running. Bam! Ang ganda niya talaga, guys. So this is the triple white Under Armour HOVR Phantom 2. It is a bit dirty because I actually wore it yesterday already. I've been breaking it in. Wore this in the treadmill, wore it during my usual walk with the wife. And grabe, ang linis. Ang ganda. Really loving this shoe. So you have the HOVR midsole. Very different execution compared to the previous ones. And then you have that some sort of like knitted upper. Ganda. Linis. So yeah, watch out for my review of the Under Armour Phantom 2 very soon. I'll be comparing this to the Adidas Ultra Boost. I'll compare it to the Adidas Ultra 4D. I'll compare it to the Vapor Max 2020 and to all of the other recent sneakers that I picked up para makita ninyo kung maganda ba talaga to ito. Pero ako, sinasabi ko na sa inyo ngayon pa lang, ang gandang sapatos nito. And let me just say also that wag na wag kayo lagi magpapadala sa hype. Kung may nakita kayo sapatos na gusto ninyo, even if the brand is not Nike, Jordan brand, or Adidas, or Off-White, if it's a brand that you resonate with, if it's a brand that you like, if it's a shoe that you feel is great, even if it's affordable, even if it's on sale, go buy it. Because ultimately, always remember guys, yung shoes ninyo, that doesn't dictate your value as a person. Yung shoes ninyo doesn't make you really any much cooler. At the end of the day, what's cool, what's awesome is people who are kind, generous, have ambition, want something in life, and mapagbigay at mapagmahal. Siyempre, sinabi ko na lahat. No? But anyway, you guys get the point. Go do you. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our very quick vlog for the day. If you missed yesterday's episode, we did the feature on the Seiko Street Fighter watches. Speaking of watches, my watch for the day is the G-Shock Neo Tokyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Okay lang kahit mura. This one of the more affordable watches that you can get for like less than 7 or 8,000 pesos. So hindi siya Rolex, hindi siya Omega. G-Shocks, awesome. Seiko, awesome. That necessarily have to be super expensive, right? But anyway, the link to that video on the Seiko Street Fighter collaboration, I'll also put the link down below. Guys, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you all have an amazing weekend up ahead. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.